I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you a test question on transformations. Question number 11. A cubic function y equals to x cubed has undergone the following set of transformations. Find the image of the coordinate point minus 3 minus 27 on the transformed function g of x. The transformation is vertically compressed by a factor of 1 over 9, reflected on y-axis, horizontally compressed by a factor of 3, translated 3 units left and 3 units down. Now generally, we could write transformed function g of x as a times f of the function k x minus p plus q, right? Now, from the given conditions, we are given vertically compressed by a factor of 1 over 9. So that gives you the value of a, right? So that gives you a equals to 1 over 9. Then reflected on y-axis. So there's a sort horizontal reflection, so it affects the value of k. So k becomes negative when it is reflected on y-axis. Horizontally compressed by a factor of 3. Now, when we say compressed by a factor of, I should have written 1 over 3. Let me correct this one. So I'll write horizontally compressed by a factor of 1 over 3. When we're saying compressed, we mean it's kind of decreasing. So we'll multiply by 1 over 3. Is it okay? Just as for vertically, we had 1 over 9. Correct? So if it is horizontally compressed by 1 over 3, then k value will be minus 3. Translated 2 units left. So moving left, p will be negative 2 and 3 units down. So q will be negative 3. So these are the values, correct? Substituting these values, I hope that's very clear, we get our function as 1 over 9. Now the function is cubic. So I'll replace this part with cube here, right? So I'll replace this with cube. Since we are given y equals to x cubed is the function, right? K is minus 3. That will ensure horizontally compressed by a factor of 1 over 3. So let me just change this. I'll write 1 over 3. Is it okay? And p is minus 2. So it becomes x plus 2 whole cube. It's a cubic function. And 3 units down means minus 3. So that becomes the transformed function g of x as per the transformation given to us, right? Now the question is, we have to find image of the given point, right? So how will that change? Now if in general, if we have a coordinate point x and y, then the image will be the x values get divided by 3, reflected means minus, so minus 1 over 3 times x value, and then it is moving left, that means minus 2. Is it okay? That gives you x coordinate. As far as y coordinate is concerned, we are dividing it by 9, vertically compressed by 1 over 9. Is it okay? So the a value affects that. And 3 units down means minus 3. Is it okay? The point given to us is, let's do the calculation with the point given to us, which is minus 3 minus 27. So that becomes minus 1 over 3 times minus 3 minus 2. As far as y value is concerned, 1 over 9 times minus 27 minus 3. Is it okay? So if you do the calculation, what do you get? Minus 3 minus, they get cancelled. How we get plus 1? So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, right? In this case, 9, when you divide from minus 27, you get 3, right? But minus 3. So minus 3 minus 6 is minus 6. And therefore, the transformed point will be minus 1 minus 6, correct? So our answer is image of point minus 3 minus 27 is going to be minus 1 minus 6. I hope that's straightforward, right? So let's go through it once again. We're saying that vertically compressed by a factor of 1 over 9, so the y value gets multiplied by 1 over 9. Reflected on y-axis means the x value becomes negative of whatever it is, horizontally compressed by a factor of 1/3. So we multiplied that by 1/3. Translated 2 units left, -2. 3 units down, -3. Correct? I hope the calculation is correct. -3, that gives you +1. -2, +1 is -1. 27 divided by 9 is 3 with a negative sign. Negative 3 becomes -6. Correct? So that is our final answer. Right? I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope this method helps you to find image on the transformed function. I hope that helps. I'm Anil Kumar. If you like, you can like my videos. Feel free to share and subscribe to them and post questions. Thank you and all the best.